So welcome back to the channel, people. Today I am in Halmer End and we are going to have a walk round the Minnie Pit Heritage Trail. So that's where we are. Just notice this notice board here, the Minnie Pit Disaster Heritage Site. So I'll let you have a look at that for a couple of seconds. And then we'll have a walk round. So let's go. Just been told there's a big pond up there, a big pool. Don't know what's that way, what's up there. So let's go. So it was on January the 12th, 1918, when the biggest mining disaster in North Staffordshire happened. 156 miners, boys and men, all died. I've got this little coal truck cart here, little coal truck. Minnie Pit, Halmer End. We have got a miner there, holding his miner's lamp. We've got this pit wheel. So there was 3 mining disasters at the Minnie Pit. The first one was in 1898, when I think it was 9 pit ponies died. The second one was in 1915, when I think 7 miners died. But the biggest one was in 1918, when 156 boys and men died. It took them nearly 2 years to recover all the bodies. Got all the ages here. Some of them were only 14, 50, 16. So the miner's capped off now. Got this little flower garden here. Yeah, the miner's capped off. You can see the mine there. Capped off in 1980, never to be re-entered ever again. Minnie Pit Centenary Commemoration Group. 1998 it was capped. Sealed in 1980. We've got another miner. All these trees have got numbers on them. For each miner what died. And if you go back to their cars, it's got all the numbers by the side of it. We've got 156 trees for each one. And we've all got numbers. So in 1918, coal played a very important part during the war. Most of the warships at sea used steam power. You needed coal for the steam boilers, as well as the munitions factories, making the weapons, making the ships, as well as people at home cooking on the stove pots and helping keep the house warm. There's some of the names. 1915. One of them was just 16, half a shuffle bottom. So we have got a bit more to the garden down here. There, each one's numbered. If you go to the Apedale Heritage Centre, there's a lot more in there, in the museum, where you can see the mine rescue, what we used, the sort of things what we used. Clothing. So most of them down in the, I've got a bit more up there, I'll go up there after. So most of the men and boys were either too young or too old to enlist in the war. So they went down the mines to help win the war. Pickaxe and a miner's lamp to the memory of all those who lost their lives to extract coal from this mine, Minnie Pit Halmer End, 1890-1931. For another map here where we are. You are here, Minnie Pit number 1, explosion site. Podmore Hall, the escape route via the Bosted onion shaft. Minnie Pit Disaster, heritage site, 156 men and boys. Saturday the 12th of January 1918, and it happened at 9:45 AM. So just after the explosion, all this area around here would have been teeming with people. Rescue services, mine rescue teams, as well as the wives rushing to the mine, trying to find out news. What's happened to the husbands? What's happened to the sons? Are they injured? Are they coming home? Pit wheel, big wheel, in memory of the 155 miners and one rescuer. January the 12th, 1918. And also all the others who lost their lives. So I don't know what's up there. I think there's another pool up there, big pool. I think it might be called Clogger's Pool. So let's have a look at these names, some of these names. They're all numbered. 156 trees. That's got something wrote on it. Let's go have a look. 2 or 3 of them actually. We'll have a look at all of them. Plenty barber pupils of all ages. Bank Primary Academy, 22nd of January 2026. There's another one just over here. Ravensmead Primary School, the Minnie Pit Heritage Committee. I think I've seen one more. Sir Thomas Buffley Academy, 22nd of January 2026. So it's just starting right. Most of these people what died, there was 156 people what died. 11 died through the injuries. The other 144 of them died through methane gas poisoning, poisonous gas. And one of them was one of the rescue workers that was wearing faulty equipment, and he died with gas poisoning. Methane gas. I've got another bench just here. Let's go have a look at it. I think there's a name on it. If we can read it. John Golding and Lynn Golding, 1986 to 2001. Donated. Can't read that part. Well, there we are. A walk around the Heritage Trail at the Minnie Pit. At the Minnie Pit in Halmer End. That wheel there would have stood a lot taller, and it would have stood over the mine. Would have been 50, 60 foot tall, maybe. So we have got all the numbers where all the trees are planted. Some of them were only 14, 15, 16, 20. The one at the bottom there was the rescue worker, Dunbar. That's about it, guys. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye for now.